Press
Super.
the button.
Okay, super. My name is Uffe Elbæk, and I'm a member of the Danish Parliament here in Copenhagen, and I've also been a member of the present government as Minister for Culture. Right now, I'm the only independent politician in the Danish Parliament. Now your face is frozen. Is that Charlie? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes.
5 months ago, I decided to step out of my former political party, the Social Liberal Party, with the purpose of creating a new green entrepreneurial new political party here in Denmark called The Alternative. And the reason for making this risky decision, because this is not a decision you just do easily. You have a lot of sorts. It's nearly as getting a divorce with a very important former lover. But the purpose of the Alternative is to figure out how can we create a new economic model that is very different from the present neoliberal economic strategy. It's also with the ambition to figure out how can you create a new political culture where we build a new democratic bridge between what is happening in the parliament and what is happening outside in the real world. So there's a lot of ambitions behind the Alternative, and there's also a strong criticism about the present way of doing politics, and with a hope of engaging people in a much more dynamic and life-giving way. When we presented the party, we actually invited all the Danes who had time and desire for it to be part of the creation of the political program. So in the spring we have organized more than 20 what we call the popular political laboratories, where we have tried to come up with new suggestions about some very serious questions, and people have called this is one of the first really serious examples of how you can do open source policy making, real time, real life. Last Saturday we voted through our program, and I'm very proud that we were able to do it in this way. And right now there are already people sitting in so different places as the Baltic states and in Nepal, discussion, should we organize a new political platform called the Alternative. So if there's anyone in the UK wanting maybe to work together with us, then please give us a call. And what I really think, which is nearly moving and really makes it very hopeful in a way, is that most of the people engaged in the Alternative has never before been political engaged. They have never been member of a political party before. They just hate the normal party politics and the way to orchestrate political processes. But in this case, they think that maybe for the first time in their life, will there be a space where they can actually be politically involved, at the same time be true to themselves and have their own personal voice in the choir of the community around the Alternative. So one lesson is it's possible to involve people. Open source political policy making is, I think, a very important tool. 3, connect with people outside your own community, and 4, have some fun making policy. I can't stand that policy is so goddamn boring and there's so less life. So make it easy, make it fresh, make it interesting, and have the courage to see the challenge directly in the eyes. Then everything is going to be quite interesting.